What up y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to record internal audio on your Mac, whether you're trying to capture gameplay, music, or just clean audio for a screen recording. First, we need to download BlackHole, so click the link in the description, it's going to bring you to this page. Also, quick warning, your computer will restart after we go through the installer, so if you're working on anything, just make sure you got it saved. Also, while you're here, I personally use Proton VPN to keep my connection private when downloading tools like this. They also have a really nice free version of the VPN. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. So once we're here, you can either donate $10 or click I can't afford to donate. If you do I can't afford to donate, type in your email, first name, last name, and send link to download. Once you do that, you should get an email like this. Click the link, it's going to bring you here, and then we're going to select BlackHole 2. Hit allow. And then in our downloads folder, double click the PKG. It's going to run us through the installer, continue, continue, agree, continue. It's going to make you type in the password for your computer. And again, when you hit restart, it's going to restart your computer, so make sure you don't have anything else you're working on. Now we can click it. Once your computer's restarted, you will now have BlackHole installed, and now you have basically two options. You could just start recording internal audio right away by changing your audio output to BlackHole, then hitting Shift-Command-5 on your keyboard, which will bring up the QuickTime player screen recorder, hitting options, and then under the microphone section, selecting BlackHole and hit record. That will record internal audio as long as you've changed the output to BlackHole and the microphone to BlackHole. However, if you do that, you won't be able to actually hear the audio through your earbuds or speakers as it's recording. If you want to do that, we need to go to Audio MIDI Setup, which comes installed on your Mac. So we can go to Finder in the search bar, type in Audio MIDI, and click Audio MIDI Setup. So once you're here, we're going to go to the bottom left and click the little plus icon, and you're going to want to create multi-output device. You'll see a new tab right here. Click it and name it to whatever you want, but to make it easier to understand for this tutorial, I'm going to name it internal plus earbuds. And then once I've changed the name, in this right panel, I'm going to make sure BlackHole is clicked, and then external headphones, which are my earbuds. Or if you want to listen through your speakers while you're recording, you would change it to the MacBook Pro speakers. Once you've done that, we can exit out. Now, same thing as before, when you want to go and record, Shift-Command-5, select the microphone as BlackHole. Now we're going to need to change the output. So it won't say the name you changed it to at first, it'll just say multi-output device, but then when you click it, it'll change the name. Now, one thing you'll notice is that you cannot change the sound of this. If you want to change the audio levels, you need to go to the individual thing. So if you chose MacBook speakers, you need to click MacBook speakers and then adjust the audio level. Or if you have earbuds, go to external headphones and adjust the audio level. And then once you have it at whatever loudness you want, then we can go back to internal plus earbuds or speakers, whichever you did. Also, you don't need to do this step after you hit record. You can do it before or after. It doesn't matter. Now, if you want to uninstall BlackHole, it's actually pretty simple. Click the link in the description and it will bring you to this page. From here, we just scroll down a little bit and under uninstall BlackHole, click download BlackHole 2 uninstaller. That's going to give us the uninstaller PKG where we just double click, and kind of like before, it's going to run us through the uninstaller, except it's not going to restart your computer this time, so no worries. And once you've done that, it will be uninstalled. You will, however, need to manually delete the multi-audio output we made earlier. So go back to Audio MIDI Setup. As you can see, BlackHole is now grayed out. Make sure whatever you name the thing is highlighted, and then click the minus arrow next to the plus arrow. It'll disappear, and you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. See ya.